first tale about Beagle Tigger, remember? He was making a golf course, being a digger. Poor little puppy worked hard with his paws to please Human Toy 1. It was for a good cause. And then the second tale was all about his walk. Recall how Tigger kept woofing, absorbed in self-talk. It's time he took you on another adventure. Come, sit close. Don't be a backbencher. These days, Tiggy Pup wonders how, why, when, and what. He has a peculiar walk, more like a horse's trot. He approaches his human toys out of curiosity, puts his tail up very geometrically at a perfect angle of degrees 90. It turns suddenly at the end rather crookedly, like a question mark, and he woofs, "Excuse me, it's been 40 long days. You all have stayed in one place." He questions with a growl. "From a cat on the prowl, why do you hide like a mouse cooped up inside the house? Can you tell me what's the scene? What do all these words mean? Social distancing, isolation, and quarantine?" He flares his nostrils for a whiff, his body going stiff, turns his head left and right for a long sniff. "What is this disgusting thing with which you keep sanitizing? What's with your hands? They taste ew, and I can't even lick 'em or chew." So many questions the poor puppy had. He couldn't even decide if he was happy or sad to have his human toys around, because now they made too much sound. Another thing that would bother was when they poured hot water and squeezed in it sliced lemons. He would wonder, "Good heavens, what if they run out of lemons? Will they squeeze a lemon, Beagle? I swear there ain't a moment dull. It's time for me to curl into a ball under the car and not answer the human toy's call for some hours. No, not at all." So Tigger has made a routine to not stay in. He prefers the outdoors, but keeps the lemon scores. His questions are unanswered about the lockdown, yet he keeps his tail wagging, never wears a frown. Human Toy 3 gives him a treat every hour, lest the questions bug him and his mood gets sour. He eats some in a jiffy. What if the situation gets iffy? So he saves some for a later snack, wondering if Human Toy 3 will act slack. What if she leaves home and forgets to come back? So Tigger goes to the lawn when everyone is gone and he is all alone. He begins to dig another hole with a solitary goal to bury all the saved up treats. And while digging, who does he meet? Well, that is another tale to be told another time. Did you realize this Tigger tale was all a rhyme? So you keep listening, because after all, even in lockdown, Tigger has found a pal. And before we end, here are some clues. New friend has many legs and can't afford so many shoes. So it smells like someone's baking. Another story's in the making, and very soon it'll be done. So children, do return for a listen. Meanwhile, Tigger says, you all have some possum lockdown days.